In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Gmail or email account. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, open up Gmail. Once you do that, click on your profile right over here and then scroll down, and then you can easily click on the add another account option. Once you do that, select the Google account or rather the Google option if you want to create a Google account or rather an email, right? A Gmail. Select the Google option. Once you do that, if you have a password installed on your phone, it's going to ask you to insert your password. So I'm just going to simply enter my fingerprint. So once you're on this page right over here, click on the create account option. Then if it's for your personal use, select the personal use option. If it's for your business or work, select work or business. I'm just going to simply select the personal use option since it's for personal use. Now you can easily enter your name. Once you're done entering your name, simply click on the next option and then enter your basic information like your date of birth and your gender. Once you're done doing that, click on the next option. And it's then going to give you options of your email address. For example, as you can see, it gave me this one. But if you want to create your own Gmail address, you can simply click on the create your own Gmail address and then simply create your own. Once you're done creating your own, you can simply click on the next option. Now what you're going to do now is that you want to simply enter your password. So you want to simply enter your password or create a password rather for your email or Gmail address. Once you're done creating your password, simply click on the next option again. So as you can see, it's then going to ask you to enter your phone number. If you want to enter your phone number, you can simply enter your phone number. But if you want to skip this option, it's going to give you a little skip option right over here. You can simply select it. But if you want to enter your phone number for security details to make sure your account is more secure, you can easily enter a phone number. But in this case, I'm just going to simply skip this stage. As you can see, what you have to do now is just to simply click on the next option and then scroll down and then click on the I agree option again. This is the account we created. So that's how you can easily create an email or Gmail account